Guys, this is Momma Lori. I'm going to show you my tomatoes and peppers. I've been in California and the girls have been doing a great job of taking care of the plants. You can see I got a bunch of tomatoes coming on and some peppers. Lots of peppers coming on. Here are my jugs that I use to fertilize and water, and I put a soaker hose in. It's doing a great job of keeping things wet. Now what I have to do is I have to pinch back the suckers, fix the bamboo trellises so the plants are supported, and yeah, I think it's going to come along. They're looking great. They got lots of flowers. I started pinching this one back. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get it lifted off the ground so the leaves, so there's some circulation, air circulation inside, and leaves not on the ground like that. It's too thick the way I've got it right now, so I've got to thin these out, make it a little bit more aerated. While I'm here, I'm going to show you how the potatoes are doing. Look at those potatoes. They're going nuts. And I've got my cage for them, and I've got to put another batch of mulch on top of them. Here are my squashes. They actually survived. There's some squashes, and I don't know what that unidentified thing was that I thought wasn't going to grow. It was probably a chard or something. We'll see. And then my squash on top of the mulch pile that I showed you a little bit ago is doing great. These are my patty pans. Squashes, I love them. And they're doing great on top of the mulch pile. And I rescued these guys. They're pretty sad. When I got back home, there wasn't much left at the store to put in, and they were closed out. So I'm trying. It might not work. They're pretty sad, but we'll see. But yeah, there's the garden looking good. I've got most of it weeded, and I just have to weed the rest of it. And it's looking good. See you later.